In today's video, I'm going to create a report that's going to show the first two images, the first two user images, which are images that you personally have added to inventory items. So here I've got a couple of coins, and each one has two images, one for the obverse and one for the reverse of each coin. So let me get started. One way to do this is under reporting, you can select create collection report. This is a way to easily create simple reports. I'm going to change the orientation to landscape, so I'll have more horizontal space, room for fields. Give it a name. Now, in the case of images, I'm going to start off by clicking on the show coin image, and here on this list box here, it will allow you to specify which fields will show on the report. Now, there could be a problem if you add too many fields here and the program doesn't have room to add all those fields in the report. It's going to truncate it, and the last fields may not show up. Just want to let you know that. So now that I've done this, I'm going to select just a couple buttons here. I'm going to select create report and design, which is going to generate a report according to my parameters. Let me click on this here too. And it's going to open up the report designer. So, and you can see here, the report designer has been opened and a report has been generated. Right now I'm in the preview mode, so it'll give me an idea what the report's going to look like when I output it. So first I've got this image here, and what I'm going to do is edit this report, and I'm going to change the data field. Now this is a bit complicated, this here. What this basically says is a condition. If the coin has an image associated to it from the user, coin.image1 is the user image that you have personally added to a coin record. Coin.variety image field is the stock image that ships with the program for that particular coin. So what I can do is, sorry, let me go back in here. I can duplicate this field for the second image. Paste. Now I'm just going to change this so that coin.image2. So this will be blank if the coin doesn't have a second image associated with it. If it does, it'll show it in the second field. Now, one thing to make note of is after you've added a new line or new field to the data line, you have to add the header for that particular column as well. So I'm going to do the same. Just call it image 2. Click OK, and as you can see here, it's showing, it's kind of just an idea what the final report's going to look like. So now I'm going to go ahead and save this report, exit the report designer, and I'll run the report. One way to run a report, there's many ways. If you just want to run a report on a particular collection, you just right mouse click, and I'm going to select output report using. That's the way you run a custom report that you have personally created. And this is the report I just created. Open. Let me preview it, start. And as you can see here, for each coin, it's showing image 1 and image 2. So it's a bit complicated, but if you spend some time with reporting, hopefully you'll get the hang of it. Now, there's no reason you can't create reports and delete them if they don't work out, and just experiment as you wish. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.